For the 4-3 work together, you're going to be looking at the same journal as we did for 4-2. So you're going to make sure that you have all of the post-reference columns filled in with either an account number or a check mark. And then the instructions say to post the separate amounts from the journal's special amount columns. It also says to make sure there's a post reference for each column total in the journal. So we don't post the general totals, so I'm going to put a check mark under those, just like we don't post the entry where we have sales and cash. So we need to post these three numbers right here. So the first one being sales credit. So I'm going to come down here to my sales. The date is the last date of the month, so April 30th. Page 1. A credit of 447. And so far that is all just copying information. So the first three steps, the date, the post reference, and the amount, we're just transferring straight from the journal. Credit of 447 is a credit in our ledger, our sales ledger. Step 4, we need to update the balance. So our balance is a credit of 447. The balance is the same as what we just put in there. The last step is putting our account number 410 back up into our journal. So you could see here that we have 3 of the columns taken care of. We have one more debit for cash and 1 credit for cash, and then we've posted all the special columns. So I'll go into my cash ledger. The date is April 30th. This is coming straight from the ledger, page 1. We have a debit of $2,890. So our balance is a debit of $2,890. Last step, account number 110, back up into our journal. So that column has been posted because I have an account number beneath the total. Finally, I need to post our cash credit amount. Credit of $1,170. So it's the 30th, page 1, a credit of $1,170. So now I need to think, what is my new balance? So if I had a debit of $2,890 and now a credit, I need to find the difference between the two. So you might need to use a calculator. 2,890, always take the big number minus the small number. 2,890 minus 1,170 equals 1,720. So the big number was a debit, so we're left with a debit 1,720. Go back up into your journal, account number 110, and this is complete. We have a post-reference account number or check mark on every line, and a check mark or an account number underneath every total.